This is what's about to happen. The world's about to come to an end as we know it.
It's great to have you guys here in the office. I want you to get really, really clear on what you want to get out of this. And then we're all going to make the decision together that we're going to get a solution to these problems before you leave.
You have to come to something like this because being around people that are in the same boat that you are, having mentors and people that actually know what they're talking about, that have succeeded.
A group of people who are like-minded, who want to scale and grow.
This is, of all the events and programs I've done, this Mastermind was actually the best one.
The best 2 days in my career at any event, hands down.
I don't want to keep going backwards over and over. I want to advance. I want to know that I'm moving up the scoreboard.
The first part of fixing anything is admitting you got a problem and wanting to change it.
So I'm just telling you, like, the entire planet is oblivious to gravity. You don't even know it's happening to you anymore. But why can't you fly? Right? Because we're unconscious to what's holding us back. So if you're taking notes, like you want to know, hey, what is the mindset? The mindset is survival. Hey, I just want to thank each of you for taking the risk to get on a plane despite what everybody's telling you in the world. I can't thank you enough for believing in yourself first, believing in us to come down here, want to spend time with us. It's such a huge acknowledgement. We got a great room of people right here. We spent 2 days answering questions. I wish you were here.